Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the backup battery in your main alarm control panel. Locate your alarm panel. Note, the main panel is not the keypad where you arm and disarm from. This will generally be located in a closet or out-of-the-way place inside your home or office. Before you begin, make sure your system is disarmed and let the monitoring center know you'll be doing maintenance. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a new 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery, typically rated at 5 or 8 amp hours. Locate your alarm control panel. Use a screwdriver to remove or loosen the cabinet screw, then swing the door open to access the components inside. Note, older panels may have a key for access. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see the backup battery. It's a cube-shaped black sealed lead-acid battery connected by 2 wires, one red for positive and one black for negative. Disconnect the red wire from the positive terminal and the black wire from the negative terminal. Gently pull the connectors straight off the battery terminals. Don't twist or yank them. Once the wires are free, remove the old battery from the enclosure and set it aside for proper recycling at a battery collection center. All of our batteries come from Batteries Plus. They carry new batteries and can handle the recycling of your old battery. Once the new battery is installed, you may want to write down the date of installation on the battery. The low battery warning should clear automatically after a few minutes. And that's it! Your alarm system is now operating with a fresh backup battery. Thanks for watching.